Ano to, it took about 4 months to prepare. Nagsimula to nung around November sa KL. Umupo yung dalawang panel chairs together with us to come up with a program to follow the instructions of the President na maglunsad ng mga programa para sa MILF communities soon as possible time. So for the past 4 months, series of meetings, series of consultations, ang MILF nagsubmit ng mga proposal sa atin ng anong programa, saan at para kanino. Ang government naman, proseso ito hanggang umabot tayo sa punto ito na handa tayong mag-launch ng mga programa on health, education, and livelihood. Kaya natin to. At the moment, the MILF has yet to identify the total number of communities that they would want to cover under this particular program. They said that they hope to be able to give that to us in 2 to 3 months' time, and that should be able to give us the indication of the spread, how many total communities they would want to be under this program. Very symbolic, this is the BLMI, the Bangsamoro Institute for Leadership and Management, and this is very near Camp Darapanan, one of their strongholds as far as the MILF is concerned. That we're doing this is an indication that we're breaking from the past, that what used to be two parties engaging each other in war are coming together to engage each other in peace and development. That we're doing this is highly symbolic. It's really saying that the partnership that was started under the Framework Agreement will continue to proceed and this time bear fruit in terms of development and peace. The MILF has been very, very cooperative. Their central committee, the representatives they've been working with have been very, very cooperative in terms of identifying the programs, identifying the projects, and opening this up for us. You have to imagine that, for example, there's a joint security. Both the MILF forces and the GPH forces are making sure that this is going to be a peaceful, a safe, and a comfortable activity for all of us. So the cooperation between both the GPH and the MILF on all the things that we've been doing has been very, very outstanding. Yes, the FAB contains a provision that talks about that the government will provide livelihood and other development activities to identified Bangsamoro and MILF communities. That we're going to do this 4 months after the signing of the FAB is a testament that the partnership between the two sides is becoming stronger and stronger. Kasi hindi naman mangyayari ito kung GPH lang ang naglunsad. Hindi naman mangyayari ito kung MILF lang ang nagsimula. Mangyayari lang ito dahil nga na patunayan natin na yung pagsasamahan ng dalawa ay bumubunga ng magagandang mga bagay para sa mga komunidad nila.